Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be Seafood Curry Ramen. It's an instant style, tasty curry dish from Japan. You can buy this instant pack almost anywhere. So let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Peel the carrots. Cut the carrots into small sizes. Slice the onions. Finely chop the green onions for garnishing. Peel the prawns until the tail portion. Cut the bottom of the prawns 2 to 4 times to release the prawn muscles. Cut the top of the prawn to remove the intestines. Mix all the flour mixtures together, and the cooking begins. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil in a pot. Add in the onions and cook until soft. Add in the carrots and stir for a while. Add in 2 bowls of water and the instant curry. Stir until the curry is totally dissolved. Simmer to cook the carrots till soft. At medium heat, add in 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the prawns in the flour mixture. Then coat them with eggs. Finally, coat them in breadcrumbs. Repeat the steps for other prawns. It is better to deep fry them, but it will use more oil. Cook until golden brown, and then you can remove the prawns. Let the pan heat up and add in the scallop. Cook each side of the scallop for around 2 minutes. Add in the udon in the pot of boiling water. Add in some salt. Remove the udon and serve with curry sauce and seafood. It's done! Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See ya in the next video. Cheers!